Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, October 4th, 2018, and today in our Tech News, we have Facebook that has made a little change. Of course, we have shown you how to actually, delete your account. And when you do so, well, you have 14 days to change your mind before it's official. Well, now, Facebook has changed that to 30 days. It says that it did that because they want to make sure that you're well informed about that decision that basically you should maybe rethink. Of course, I think it has to do a lot with the fact that maybe a lot more people than they actually want are leaving the social media site. Windows 10 Insider Preview builds 18252 released for fastering and skip ahead. Kind of a little surprised because it was fast, but also the fact that there were no announcements to people saying, hey, you should actually be removing yourself from the insiders if you don't want to continue and stay on the October 2018 update. They usually give that, and it's kind of interesting, but hey, we're moving ahead already with the 19H1, the next version of Windows for March of 2019. Security software Hide My Ass, yes, there's something called Hide My Ass, and a company called Censuswide have partnered in a survey that shows that privacy advocates are perceived as paranoid and that they have something to hide, even though for most people privacy is an important thing. But apparently there's a lot of difference for most people in online privacy versus everyday life privacy. That's kind of an interesting side to it. Well, torrents. We haven't talked about torrents for a while. Torrents have been having a hard time in the past few years. And, of course, there was closures of a lot of torrent websites. And there was less and less people actually downloading illegally using torrents. But now, the fact that more and more, to view what you want to have, you have to go into more than one website and pay every month. So, there's more and more of these series that people want to see, but they're all scattered in different services that all want to have a subscription. Well, people are kind of annoyed at that, and they're saying, you know what, I'm going back to the torrents and download all the things that I want. And so torrents are on the rise again. It kind of shows you that, you know what, when companies start to want to be a little too greedy, well, that's what you get. Amazon is kind of in a little hot water. Is the Amazon pay raise to $15 an hour a scam or something that employees will have and find cool? There's employees that actually have voiced their minds, stating that they will lose after this salary change and that now there will be no more stock and bonus incentives. And it seems that it's all in the numbers. Amazon has repeated that for the most of the employees, this is good. But a lot of employees are saying, no, this is really in reality just a move to try to show that they're nice. But in reality, we're losing tons of other things to get there. Well, yesterday it seems that the presidential alert system has actually been, for the most part, a success, with phones, TV stations, radio stations alerting the public at 2:18 p.m. exactly Eastern Time. But many are wondering, why all of this? Why is it happening? Why should we have such a system that, unless there's a real nationwide emergency, there shouldn't be, or it shouldn't be used much? Well, California, of course, with its toughest net neutrality of all of the United States, is actually now in a lawsuit. It seems that all major internet service providers are now suing California and say that it's illegal, you can't do that, this is a federal matter. Well, eBay sent a cease and desist order to Amazon because it claims that the retail giant has been working on a plan to actually steal all of its best eBay sellers and have them come over to Amazon store. And of course, eBay is a little mad at that. You know what? It's interesting because I have noticed that in the past few times that I purchased stuff on eBay, a lot of the time it came from Amazon, which surprised me And that's kind of probably why all of this is happening now. Well, some Windows 10 users say that after upgrading to the latest version of the October 2018 update, they lost all their files. And quite a few little problems are showing up. Kind of interesting. We're going to talk about this today on our channel. Seems that some people on Intel 6th generation or later have problems with the display and audio drivers. So, interesting. We're going to check that out today and post a few videos talking about the subject and giving a few pointers also on maybe how you can actually get out of this, or are your files really lost, or do you just are somewhere else? We're going to give you a few pointers that you can check out. Well, a company wants to add artificial intelligence to your car that will detect the mood you're in and know if you're in good or bad mood, or you have a good or bad day, and change the lighting system, the music that's playing, and try to make you feel better by detecting how you feel. So this is kind of interesting, and I don't know, will that work? Maybe. Many countries, including US, UK, Canada, and many European countries, are revealing today that Russia is a major cyber threat to the world, and that many cyber attacks, many hackings come from there, and that basically they're just calling on the Russian state to do something about it, because a lot of countries are getting annoyed at this. And this was the Tech News Update for Thursday, October 4th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.